Hey y'all, I hope you guys are doing well. I am back with another wig show and tell, and today's wig is brought to you by In Color Wig. I'll be sure to leave a link below to this wig if you are interested with their direct store and social media links in the description box. The wig came in that long clear Ziploc bag, and this is what the wig looks like straight out of the package. The wig comes pre-colored. The length of this wig is 22 inches and the hair texture feels silky. Here is a close-up of how the hairline of the wig comes. It's a very thick hairline and I just can't walk around like this. I need it to be plucked some more. So off camera, I'll go in and work some magic to that hairline. I have a video on how I pluck my wig's hairline to getting it looking a little bit more natural. Feel free to check that out if you need some helpful plucking tips. Now I'm going in with my Andis hot comb and I'm just running the hot comb through on the hairline of the wig and the baby hairs. This just helps the hairline look a little bit more smooth and it shows the jagged plucked effect of the hairline. And I also like using the hot comb pressing the baby hairs forward because it helps the baby hairs lay that direction. The left side of your screen is how I customized the wig hairline to my liking versus how it came straight out of the box. And come on, give me some props. I did my thing or whatever. But now I'm going to go in and tint the lace. So I take this True Match Lace Concealer in the shade bronze and I'm spraying one layer of this underneath the lace. Then I'm going to blow dry it until it's completely dry. The hair doesn't look bad poofy, but I would like to go in and define the curls some more. So I'm going to take this 360 mist spray bottle. You can find this bottle off Amazon. And I'm going to lightly mist this hair with some water. I'm not going to completely soak the hair, but I want it just wet enough where the curls are defined. Now I'm taking Nair OB Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion and pumping this on random spots of the hair. This is going to lock the curl pattern in, but also leaving the hair very soft and defined. Some hair curling products leave a hard hold on the hair. This product doesn't do that. So if you're looking for a harder hold, then I don't recommend this product. After I brush the product onto the hair, I'm going to take my hands and crunch up the curls so I can make the curls at the end a little bit more tighter. All right, now it's time for the install. So this is what the wig looks like the next day. It's fully air dried and okay, I see the curl definition. Go me. Don't forget to cut off that extra lace in the back because you do not need it. I applied some makeup powder underneath the lace, but only applied it to the spots that will be shown. You can't really see it because of the hair color, so I only applied it to the hairline and the parting space. Right there is where I hooked my adjustable straps. And I'm going to go in with a brown stocking cap underneath. I straightened out the baby hairs in the front slash add a little bump, so when it's time to do my baby hairs, it don't get lost into the rest of the hair. So I pulled the baby hairs back. I'm going in with some eyebrow scissors and cutting off the extra lace in the front. I'm just taking my time and cutting right across the hairline. I have this spray that's been sitting in the house for a while now called Bedhead Hardhead, and Lord, the name alone sound like that hole don't play. I'm spraying one layer of this for this wig show and tell, but if you would like a extra hold, then I recommend 2 to 3 layers of spray. But spray the first 2 layers directly on the skin of your hairline, blow dry in between the layers, then spray the last layer on top of the lace after you lay your lace on the 2 layers before that, then blow dry again. I know, sound pretty confusing. I'll do a video on that later though. Baby hairs time, and those baby hairs was way too long for my liking, so I'm just going in and cutting them down a bit. I'm going to use this Got To Be Glue styling gel, and I'm going to do my baby hairs a little different today. I've been seeing the whole extra swoop curly baby hair look going around, and I love it. I'm a big fan of it, and I want to practice it some more. So I'm just going to take this gel and comb it on the roots of the baby hair, but I'm also using like the comb and my finger to make those little C-shaped turn kind of curls. I don't know what to call it. And I'm just taking my time and doing it and trying to put the swoops anywhere and just playing with it, playing with the baby hairs and the style, hoping it turned out good. Yes, okay. I am doing something right. I am so proud of myself because it's not too bad. I think I'm doing my thing. So now I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm taking some of this powder and applying it to my hairline because you can still see the knots on the wig, and I'm not sure if you could go in and bleach the knots, but that's why I'm using the powder, because the powder helped hide the knot, but it also helped the lace appear a little bit more like skin. I love how the curls came out, but I would like just a little bit more volume. So I'm just taking my fingers and shaking out the curls by the roots. And I'm trying my best not to run my fingers through because I don't want to mess up the curl pattern and make it poofy. Okay, where do I start? First off, right here is my end results and I hope you like it, but to be honest, I love it. This wig looked like it was a custom color dye job by a professional, and I say that because I hand dyed a wig like this before from black to copper, and it was a lot of work. And this is what I'm here for, to show you how to get professional results for people that want to do their hair at home without going to the salon. All I want to do is help though, so I really hope this video was helpful to your next choice of wig. The density on this wig is lovely. It's not too thick, but it's nowhere on the thin side. The more you comb or brush out the curls, the bigger the hair get. I'm feeling myself and you can't tell me nothing. This wig only comes in one size. My head circumference is 22 inches and the wig fits snug, mostly because I hooked the adjustable straps closely. But I do have stretch cap room left in there, so if your head is bigger, I feel like you can definitely give it a shot if you're interested. But if you have a smaller head, you can go in and insert an elastic band or crisscross the adjustable straps. Hopefully that can help the wig feel a little bit more snug on you. When I was styling this wig and defining the curls, I got no tangling at all, but it is day one. But I love how I didn't get any tangling, because if it was day one with tangling, then In Color Wig, you got some explaining to do. As for shedding, I did get shedding and the shedding was medium, but I feel like it was due to the fact that I went in and plucked a lot of hair from the hairline. So hopefully over time the shedding does dim down a bit. When I received the wig, it didn't have no foul odor. It didn't have like a corn chip smell. You can go in and wash this wig, but I did not wash this wig. I just went straight in and styled it because I was being lazy. But the only con I really have with this wig is the fact that I had to go in and pluck the hairline, which doesn't bother me, but I know it's going to bother a lot of people. I honestly do still recommend this wig though. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Later.